How to find removed photos on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply find removed photos on Instagram. So without further ado, let's dive into this. First of all, what you're going to do is open up the Instagram application on your mobile devices and log it. Once you have logged in your Instagram account, you'll go into the profile option by tapping on the profile icon at the right bottom corner of your screen. Once you go over there, a similar profile screen would appear up that would be yours, and in which you're going to go and tap on the freelance icon that is at the top right corner of your screen. Once you go over there are a series of options in the dialog box stating settings, archive, your activity, QR code, save, close friends, favorite, and COVID-19. Amongst which you're going to select the your activity one. Once you have selected your activity one, you're going to go down till the very last and find recently deleted option. Once you tap on that, you'll see that there's this recently deleted one or two of my stories. These can be the stories. In this, there can be stories, IGTV reels, your posts, anything that have been deleted within the 7 days. It means if you have deleted some post that is between this week, so it would appear here. If you have deleted a post or a story and it had exceeded the limit of 7 days or a week, then it won't appear here. So this is how to find removed photos on Instagram. You go over there, you just tap on more and you restore it by tapping on the restore option in the dialog box. I hope this video was informative. If you still have some query, comment down below. I'll love to answer that. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Till next time, peace.